In tonight's Health Watch, we step back for a moment from the human condition that we typically delve into in this segment and turn instead for a moment to a health issue affecting man's best friend. It's called Canine Influenza. The nation's veterinarians are on alert for the illness, a flu that first appeared in doggies 5 years ago. It doesn't infect people, but the virus is highly contagious among the dogs. NJN News health and medical correspondent Sarah Lee Kessler reports.
Scrappy the dog is perfectly healthy, but that could change in an instant if Scrappy were exposed to H3N8, the canine flu virus.
100% of dogs that are exposed to the virus will become infected. About 80% of those will show signs of the disease, which is coughing, sneezing, runny nose, mild fever.
So if your dog is coughing or showing other signs of respiratory illness, you'll want to keep him away from dog parks, kennels, or other places where other dogs could be exposed to the virus. Dr. John DeVries, the assistant director of Oradell Animal Hospital in Paramus, says his facility hasn't seen any cases this year yet, but that there have been outbreaks in central New Jersey. Canine flu, which first appeared in 2004 at a Florida Greyhound kennel and has now spread to 30 states, can be deadly.
The estimate is about 1 to 5% of dogs that contract the flu will die from the flu.
Should dogs be vaccinated against this?
This is a lifestyle decision, but dogs that are exposed to other dogs in group situations, such as kennels, groomers, boarding facilities, dog parks, daycare, those are the ones that should be vaccinated.
The vaccine is given in 2 doses, an initial dose, and then 2 to 4 weeks later, a booster.
Our dogs basically just play our 3 dogs by themselves in their backyard, so I think we're on that sense covered.
This is a virus that jumped from horses to dogs. Any evidence that it could jump from dogs to people?
There is no evidence to date that this virus can be transmitted from dogs to people.
Big boy! There's also no evidence that people can transmit human flu viruses to their dogs. Sarah Lee Kessler, NJN News, Paramus.